Hey everyone, I'd like to tell you about this home safe by Lockworths. This is a home or office safe. This one here is 0.6 cubic feet. It's made of carbon steel, and this is a great size to be able to put on a shelf, to put into a closet. And I love these because you can use these to put jewelry, put money, put passports, documents, if you own a gun. This is a great size. Inside, it does come with a removable shelf, and then there is a felt lining here on the bottom. You are able to either mount this to a wall, or you can mount it to a flat surface, like a shelf or the floor. When you purchase a safe, you get the safe, you get the user manual, you get a pair of emergency keys, as well as the mounting brackets, and then you do get 4 AA batteries that will be installed on the door of the safe. Setting the safe up was really easy for first use. Right here is a little compartment where you would use the emergency key. You would turn the key, and then you can go ahead and open the door to be able to set the combination that you would like to do. Should you ever lose or forget your combination, or if the batteries should wear out, you can use the emergency key to be able to gain access to the safe. This safe fits great in my home closet, so I was able to place this right on a shelf. And again, the access to this is so easy. I was able to put electronics in here that I wanted to save, as well as jewelry and different types of keepsakes in here. Feels very, very secure, out of the way, and doesn't take up much room. If you are looking for a safe for either home or office use, I would definitely recommend giving this one a try. I'd like to thank the company for sending this over to me, and I hope you like this as much as I do.